Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create overlay effects on the KineMaster video editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster video editing app on your device, and once you open it up, you will be able to create a new project or open any of your old ones right away. Once you open up your project, you will end up within the timeline view. Now you can import any of your preferred media from the media as well as audio section, and they will be added onto your timeline and you can start editing them right away. Now if you wish to add an overlay effect, then first of all you will need to add this onto a new layer. So tap on the layer option and then add your media. You can choose from various different assets, and once you find the media that you would like to add, just tap on it and it will be added to your timeline. Now tap on the empty part of your timeline or close the media option. Now just select this new media that you would like to overlay, and you can change its scale or its size, and you may also change its position. After this, in order to modify your overlay settings, from the right panel scroll down and then tap on blending. You can now change your opacity level and choose from various different types of blending mode. Choose your preferred blending mode and your setting will be applied. You can once again tap on the empty part of your timeline and your chosen effects have been applied to your video right away. You can tap on the play button to preview your overlay, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an overlay effect on the KineMaster video editor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.